When starting to build a dock, the one thing on every builder's mind is longevity. How can you build your dock so that it functions and lasts as long as possible? In this video, we'll be having a conversation with Billy, a decks and docks professional. Hopefully we can answer some questions you may have when it comes to how to prevent piling damage from the get-go. So Billy, can you please explain to us what signs to look for when evaluating if your dock needs repairs?
The main sign you can look for when you're going down to your dock is looking at your pilings. So what happens is there's marine life that comes in and they actually bore into the pilings. So what you'll see is an hourglass figure getting eaten down where the top of the water line is.
Now that we can identify some of the potential problems, when do we know that it's actually time to go to decks and docks to maybe work on repairing those areas?
Basically, whenever you walk out to your dock and you find stuff like that, or even if one is broken, you want to come back and go talk to a decks and docks professional.
So let's say I was building a dock from scratch and I wanted to prevent these kinds of problems from happening in the first place. What are some options I might have?
Well, there's multiple options. The first option you do have is pile wrap. Pile wrap is a vinyl wrap that wraps around and gets nailed onto the piling to prevent those same marine creatures coming in and eating away at the piling. The other thing that you can do is you can get composite pilings. Their fiberglass woven pilings are structurally the strongest pilings that there are. They won't get eaten away at, can't damage them, and they go in easy. Another option you can go with is a Durosleeve. A Durosleeve is basically like heat shrink. They put it on and they heat shrink it down to the piling and then they put it into the ground so that basically the whole piling is covered instead of just the one section like the pile wrap.
So you provided us with a lot of helpful information today. Hopefully some of what we've discussed is relevant to you. If you feel like you maybe need some more information on piling or piling damage, you can visit a decks and docks professional at one of our many locations across Southeast America. We hope to see you soon.